Have you ever wondered if the endless hustle is actually destroying your happiness? Good question. Today we're diving into the dark side of the hustle culture and why doing it all may be ruining your life. Trust me, you want to stick around for this. Imagine this, you're juggling work, family, friends, self-care like a pro. But deep down inside, you're exhausted and feeling unfulfilled. What if I told you that the superwoman myth is doing more harm to you than good? We're constantly told to hustle harder, be more productive, and achieve more. But at what cost? According to the Gallup, almost half of us are burning out just from trying to keep up. Okay, so let's talk about why this is happening and how we can break free from this toxic cycle. Hustle culture is everywhere. From Instagram posts that glamorize 4 a.m. wake-ups to influencers who seem to have it all. We're bombarded with the message that success means constantly striving. But here's the thing, hustle culture is a scam. It convinces us that our worth is tied to how busy we are, and it's leading us straight into burnout. Listen to these real life struggles. I feel like I'm running on empty, but there is no finish line in sight. No matter how hard I work, I'm overwhelmed, exhausted, and wondering if this is what success is supposed to feel like. We've been told that doing more means being more. But it's time to wake up and realize that our value isn't in our constant grind, but in how we truly live and feel. Let's flip the script for a minute. Let's imagine a life where you don't have to sacrifice your well-being for the sake of success. That's what the soft life is all about. It's about prioritizing self-care and finding a little bit of balance and living a life that feels good from the inside out. Let's talk about these transformations. Since adopting the soft life approach, I'm more focused and genuinely happy. Setting boundaries and saying no has given me so much more freedom and peace. I've learned to slow down, and now I'm doing more meaningful work than ever. This isn't about being lazy or avoiding ambition. It's about being smart with our energy and redefining what true success looks like. Are you ready to break free from the toxic hustle? Here's how. Number 1, set your boundaries. Learn to say no without guilt. Your time is precious. If you have to get before a mirror, and I've done this myself, and just practice saying no. No without an excuse, just no. I don't have to have a reason. No is a perfectly good sentence with a period on the end. Number 2, prioritize your rest. Make sleep and relaxation for you a non-negotiable. There's no reason why you should ever feel like you have to create a reason that you need rest or sleep or just want to be relaxing alone or with family and friends. Number 3, find joy in simplicity. Focus on the things that truly bring you happiness, not what looks good on social media. It's about creating a life that feels as good as it looks. The freedom and joy that come from living authentically are absolutely worth it. If you're tired of the hustle and ready for a life filled with joy and balance, it's time to join the Soft Life Revolution. Join us at the SoftLifeReset Retreat for an experience that will transform how you live and how you thrive. We have a special offer. Use code SoftLifeBFF24 to save $500 when you bring a friend. This offer is only valid until June 28th, 2024. I am Tamara. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If this has resonated with you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with a friend who needs to hear it. Until next time, stay soft yet powerful. Remember, you are enough just as you are, and I will see you in paradise. Hit the description box for the Soft Life Reset Retreat link.